So now we're going to find the height of a cone and round our answer to the nearest tenth. So for this, very similar to our last topic, they gave us the height, or they didn't give us the height, but they gave us the volume and they gave us the radius. So our radius is 9. So first, we need to find the area of the base. So this is 3.14 times our radius, which is 9 squared. So 3.14 times 9 squared gives us 254 and 34 hundredths. So this is the area of our base. So now we're going to plug this in for B, and then we will plug in our volume for V. So the area of, our volume was 956 equals 1/3 our area of our base, which is 254.34 times our height. So first we need to simplify, so we're going to divide our area of our base by 3, because multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. So divided by 3, 84 and 78 hundredths. So this gives us 84 and 78 hundredths times H equals 956. Then we are going to divide by 84 and 78 hundredths. That leaves us with our height. So we have 956 divided by 84.78. And this gives us 11.27. We're going to round that to the nearest tenth. So we get 11.3 equals our height. So our height is 11 3/10 feet. So now again, I want you to do the try on your own. Press pause while you do that, and then when you're ready, press play to check your answer with mine. So first we need to find the area of our base. So that's going to be 3.14 times our radius, which is 15. So 15 squared. So 3.14 times 15 squared, 706.5 equals our area of our base. So now we're going to plug that into our volume, which is volume equals 1/3 the area of our base times our height. So we're going to plug that 706.5 into B. And then we're plugging our volume in for V. So 7,200 equals 1/3 the area of our base, which was 706.5 times our height. We are going to simplify that by dividing 706.5 by 3. That's the same as multiplying by 1/3. So we get 235.5 times our height is equal to that 7,200. So now we're going to divide by 235.5 on both sides. So 7,200 divided by 235.5. And And that gives us 30.57 equals our height, but we need to round to the nearest tenth, so that 7 is going to make this 5 turn into a 6. So our answer is now 30.6, and it's in yards.